Trevor, guess what?
What is it?
You're going to meet Travis for Bob the Builder. Otherwise, you have to behave for yourself while he's there, okay?
Right on, sir. But can you please repeat that again?
What I said was, stop with your whistling. Trevor, you gotta behave yourself, otherwise you'll get grounded.
Okay, sir. Now, who is that? That is Sir Topham Hatt. He dropped me off, so I come and visit you. Well, but in real life. Diesel? What do you think you're doing into my pumpkin patch?
Nothing much. But, Puffball will never get cut this.
Why are you disrespecting your horn?
Just to keep on my way. Well, not on my watch.
Stop using your horn.
Too bad. Or else, you'll probably do pay this.
Stop with your horn. That's it, we're never gonna break friends again, okay, Diesel? Let's break up.
Alright. Seems like I'm about to be breaking up. Well, Devious Diesel, you better go upstairs to your room.
Sure enough.
Good. Because I want to have fun with all the people.
So, Trevor, what is life being on a pumpkin patch?
Apparently, let me hear a story on Google. It all started when I worked on a pumpkin patch. Somewhere, not in United States, but somewhere in UK. Yep, I worked in the British pumpkin patch. That's where all the pumpkins usually grow in the UK.
Of the island of Sodor?
You could be right.
That is interesting.
Well, I gotta say this, but you still have a lot of fun today.
Yeah, you could be right about that, Bob.
You also could be right about that, Trevor.
Yes, it's on that. But not on my watch. Because, Travis and I love picking pumpkins. Isn't that right, Travis?
Right, Spud.
Good. Because, best friends is what we're waiting for.
That's right, Spud. Best friends is true. Well, that's the end.
Yeah, it is fun hanging out with Travis all the time.
Wait, who is Travis?
Travis is like my new friend from Bobsville.
I see. Oh, I know where it is. Spring Valley, right?
Well, I've got stations to catch. Annie and Clarabelle waiting for me, so hop on trails on your tails.
Well, that's the end of the show. If you'd like to see more, click here to subscribe to Colin Dykeman's channel. Goodbye.